Every great future begins with a strong foundation. At Saluja Contracts, we don't just construct buildings, we create spaces where the next generation will learn, grow, and succeed. From precise planning to flawless execution, every beam, every wall, and every detail reflects our commitment to quality, safety, and timely delivery. This is more than a construction site. This is the future of education, taking shape brick by brick.